Yo, welcome back to Imara Nation podcast. I don't know Negus Imara this and we have Jaiifrais at the house. You see me?
Sir.
Yeah, man, you don't know the thing, I'm a J. Yes, I. This is the third segment, second episode. You don't know the thing set. As I say, this episode is brought to you by Happy Strand Herbal Growth. You understand? Make sure you check out the Instagram, Happy Strand. You understand? When time I use this, my head start tingling. You see me? Yes, I. Yo. I'm very curious right now, brother. I have a question for ask you because I see like the youths them. Well, let me not say that because I'm not gonna be a hypocrite and go like say me never. You know, me when I got high school, it was V. You see me? But now we see it's named Y now. You see me? I talk about the Y culture, brother. We see the Y culture now. It get to me. It get very wild now, brother. For the least little thing, a man say why. So I started a series the other day, basically holding up a mirror in front of the youths them and show them say, yo, here what? This is the way you wanna go on, me can do it too. You see me? So I make a video named Don't Say Why If You Ever Do Any One of Them things. This is how basically me just sexualize things where I have no business being sexualized. Greetings, my Jamaican brothers and sisters. My name is Negus Imara, and this segment is called Don't Say Why If You Ever Do Any One of Them things. If you ever eat a guinea, lollipop, or a baby chocolate, shut up your stinking mouth. You love nyam balls. Why? If you ever dip on your ends with your friend, them a swap spit up spliff, you kiss your friend, you like him. Why? If you ever ride on a bike behind your brethren, your body bounce pan him body. Worse if you drop in a pothole. Why? And if you ever watch any porn besides lesbian porn, you look for man balls and body. You're a dirty boy, gotta go senior. Why? And the responses them I get, I say, yo, okay, you see how I feel now. Them a complain and say, yo, brother, you go like say you not eat sausage too, brother. Of course. But when I show no, say, yo, and nonsense when I go out with. No, if a man says certain things are out of order, brother, like really out of order, you stop him and say, why? But them I say, yo, it's a joke. But, bro, I can tell you this right now. You see, after the Walkers Wood video there, bro, at least almost every day, niggas say I'm gay. Actually say I'm gay, bro. I've never been called gay before that. Never.
Never?
Never.
That's crazy.
Never.
I've
never been called gay. Wait, why are you looking like that?
That's crazy.
Wait, I'm curious. Why is Jaiifrais looking like that?
You never?
Why is Jaiifrais looking
That's
like that?
Crazy.
There was no reason for niggas to call me gay. After the Walkers Wood video, I mean, bro, everything, brother. Just like, when you go to boom and put on a scandal back for your head, what niggas say?
Oh, I've talked about that to the YYY Culture shit.
What niggas say?
Oh, no.
You too bumbuckler, like the man like a fuck.
What I mean, tell me talk. I'm just going to talk. Our number one, you think about this white thing too deep. Number two, that nobody never see I and call it batty man. Dog.
No. I'm talking about on the internet, bro.
But that's the thing, the internet is not really real, bro. If I be honest, dog, like majority of these people are kids who want attention. I'm
fucking children.
Yo, I remember one time somebody say, yo, suck pussy batty boy Jaiifrais. I'm say that why you say this? I said, dog, you read the reply, dog, yeah, I'm a G.
Oh, that
yeah, so like,
that happened the other day,
bro. That it's like nobody really cares. Like there's no stigmatism against none of it, bro. You feel me?
So you say, motherfucker just looking attention, bro.
Yeah, as I even say, attention is more of them rated, dog, and it's like what remember the culture where we're living in, brother. You feel me? We live in a culture where people respond to hate more than positivity. Like for instance, Cardi B would have like literally 10,000 comments and she replied to the person who said Nicki better than her or Nicki is the bitch or something.
Yeah, I remember you saying
vice
that.
Vice versa. And you know what I said, dog? So that's the culture we're living in, that
people
respond to negativity. You know what I said? Me, all the hell, me as a fan, where fuck with you, yo, 24/7, 365, and you gotta respond to a hater. I mean, they are share your video. Me, they are defend you in an argument. Everything.
Great point.
So if me really want feel your presence and for feel that you acknowledge me, if me have got to tell you suck your mother for you go see me, I got to tell you suck your mother so you can see me.
That is true.
You get what I say? So nobody really give a fuck about that shit, bro.
And what you said a while ago, that's very true because, bro, the same thing happened, bro, You see me? What him do? He must say something like, what him say? I don't remember, bro, but I responded to him and he must say, yo, dog, true, me see you respond to the same, like, the bad comment them more. I might say, yo, bro, you ain't got to do that because I respond to everybody. But you feel like you have to say something fucked up. Forget my attention.
But he wouldn't know that, though. So he respond to everybody. Because, again, remember I said negativity highlighted more. A clapback is more highlighted than somebody I say, yo, respect that keep, yo, that make my day or that keep me going or whatever the case may be. So you have just look point like that. But when it comes to the YYY culture, I think guys are taking it too deep for no fucking reason.
No, it's fucking annoying. It is. It's friggin' annoying.
Culture,
bro, it's just annoying.
What is culture?
That's just whack as hell, bro. I can understand. I can understand if a man make a very white talk.
Americans do it too.
Brother, burn up that. You see me? But
Americans do it.
What them do?
Pause
for everything.
Everything.
Nah, bro. These niggas OD, bro. Man, no pause, brother.
Bro, but American niggas don't pause for everything, bro.
I don't know. Maybe the dudes you talk to, bro.
Pause.
You see me?
Pause for that, bro. I don't know what
maybe the dudes you talk. Don't bother anything. Don't bother anything. Don't bother anything, Jaiifrais. You see me? Don't bother with it, blood.
Why?
You see me? But yeah, that fit, bro. Even to the point where I'm on a like props, bro. Like props. A man got some man drop on a 1 week, brother.
Mm-hmm.
Them feel like say that is you coming out. What you have to say about that?
Oh, me? Nuh-uh. I don't mean it.
So basically they don't nobody not mean nothing then.
Nah, they don't, bro. I'm telling you. They don't, bro. Like it just doesn't make sense, dog. It's like question. You have Eddie Murphy, you have Kevin. I think Kevin Hart do too. All them, bro.
Martin.
Shit. You know what I mean? I said it just doesn't make sense. Tyler Perry. So many people, dog. Can go on and on, brother.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I said some people just want to say something, dog. You have some people who are, I call them opposition minister. Them see everybody like want something, them just say, yo, I'm not gonna like that. You know?
Yeah.
Too much people.
I move different, yeah.
I move different,
yeah,
yeah. Militant. You know what I mean? I said So, you know, for I'm gonna meds them thing because I'm say when it comes down to reality and what the streets are telling me, the streets now say nothing to that. I'm going at the toughest of that place, them brother.
So basically,
whether far in our yard, me at the streets.
Yeah.
And nobody never wants to see me and say, yo,
I just forward from yard too.
I'm fresh off the boat.
Big up yard.
So I'm thinking not real, cause thinking not real, bro. Major Iba do him thing, everybody and Prince Money they are doing thing, dog. Who the big like Prince Money, bro? Some people just want to chat, dog.
That's facts. I said go around certain man, bro. That's the thing, bro. Well, you're right, bro. It could be fake. Because, bro, you go around certain man and really hear certain things about certain man. When you see certain man, you say, yo, these man them act like man, brother. And them have woman around them. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, and even if, you know, see no fugazi thing. You know, see no broke thing.
Even if niggas gay, bro, niggas just gay. And that's just that, bro.
That is true.
I'm telling you, I'm never going to be out here trying to fight against homosexuals. They've been around from the dawn of time, and they have nowhere going. So I'm not gonna fight against them, bro. They have a place in this world, man. I'll be an advocate for them. But it's like, from your born till now, they know about.
Yeah, that's facts.
And I'm me, with my platform, I'm gonna make them go away.
Hell nah.
No, I'm gonna feel have them powers there.
Yeah.
Them there, and over there. So
and that's the thing about that. And as big as like, you know, some people platform is, brother, like them community massive, bro. So you be doing a disservice to yourself.
I meds them and give them the time of day.
That too. You see me?
I'm not say that in terms of like, yo, like don't meds them, but why me I just out of the blue just try to denounce a whole community.
Yeah.
And just meds people who when on a farm affiliation with people who not want for affiliate with. That doesn't make sense, bro.
Facts.
You know, it's like you have to have some form of affinity for them for even meds them on that level, the dog. Cause every form of hatred in them, bro, there's some love in it see me in a dog. You know what I mean?
I saw something the other day.
When you look on even white people, bro, white people love black people, but they love it to a certain degree. So it's like you can't dunk a ball. That shit's fucking amazing. That boy can jump.
Yeah. Compartmentalize them thing, you see me?
You see that? What's that? Hussein Bolt? Oh my God, that boy can run. Back in my day, when I got my whip, I would not get him. He remind me of that. What's that? What? Hey, Ben, what's that one? Kunte. Remember Kunte? He fast just like Kunte. I told Kunte he should do track, but he ran away. I don't know where he is. He probably died in them woods. Cause you know we had them traps out there in woods and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, bro. You have some fun. Cause number one, bro, I literally, especially now, bro, with let's be honest, and I reading comment, bro, I would just see something, I'll literally start type. I'm like, nah. I said this shit dumb as fuck. For if everybody can understand, if you can understand it, there's not much, bro. Yeah, it's like a teacher, dog. How much can a teacher do to teach a done spitting in the class? It's like, there ain't shit that teacher can't do. She done everything she could.
Yeah, everything.
You know what I'm saying?
That's a great point, bro. And the thing about it, bro, like, you know, I do this for about 3+ years now, going on 4. Bro, I never really respond to comment on them things until recently, bro. And I'm start respond to them, bro. It's like it get overwhelming after a while. I'm like, bro, what are you doing, bro? You letting these people, bro, some of them people are probably out there behind them phone screen. I'm not going to use that R word, but I'm just saying, mash up in a life and, you see me, less than on them thing. When I say everybody less than, some people can generally have more than you and still feel with hatred. But I'm just saying.
And then what is having even more than you, dog? Because all them things that come back down just how you're feeling, dog. You know what I'm saying? Success to me is a feeling thing, you know, brother. Yeah. You see me, because money can't, you know, dog. How much is enough money? Every adjective, you know, that you have to get is a comparison word, you know. So you might fast to me. But you're not faster than Bolt, are you fast? Yeah. There's no time to say, okay, you're fast. You know what I mean? I say as much as Bolt run 9.2 or 5.8, I doubt him can run left the man the 400 world record. Cause I would, you know what I say? So it's like, what are we saying? You have to compare everything, bro. Yeah. So rich.
Factor in everything too.
You richer than me, but I'm richer than a person. So what that means, I'm broke to you and you're rich to me and I'm rich to him and him broke to me. You know what I say? It doesn't make no sense. So
just about how you feel. How
you feel. So so me, that's my metric of success and happiness. That is a feeling process. You know
Definitely.
what I'm saying? So I'm gonna say that enough for them things that are just fuck with other people just get up and just want to talk. You know, even someone, me I come in and win a weird wig and well, congrats. I don't know what the fuck that's supposed to mean. We are do our job. we give a joke and people are laugh. The job has been done. Yeah, 100% in totality. How it reached to? Me not wearing a wig, bro. Wig not make nobody fucking funny. Yeah. It does not make anybody funny. Yeah.
It's a character.
It's a fucking character. Wig don't make nobody funny, bro. Yeah. Cause what? Me can't say me not ugly. Cute people are normally pretty. Cute people are normally funny. If you just one is ugly and like just but them ugly is like is that funny as fuck? That man ugly as fuck. Yeah. Look on long neck, broad neck. Them look
facts. Like
big,
it's like
the big eye one.
The them do the blow called him eye. It's like the weirder you look, it's the funnier you are to people.
Bro, I'm telling you this now.
Yeah, well I know. It's when you start get cleaner in life, right? You always clean, put yourself together. But the older you get and the cleaner you get. You see the cleaner you get and the status and go up and
you see me? You never go so far. Jonah Hill, when Jonah Hill get manga, people are saying, I don't think he's gonna be
yes. Great point. Just, bro.
They forgot the man fat, I say, yo, and man lose weight and nah, you know,
so what I'd say, people was laughing at you.
Not even said no, it's not even said that, bro. People just weird. And me a part of the weirdness too. Don't get me wrong.
We're all a part of it. We're all a part of it.
And next time I'm notice with people, bro. I'm a long time. Everybody them say these things as if you take a shortcut in whatever you do. Feel me? So it's like, me not wear a wig, and that's why, right? Bro, majority of my virus kids is I act like a man. I have nothing to do. Majority, bro, if not all. Yeah. You feel me? Now, I'm explain my point. A man will go to a boom and say a man sell drugs or a man scam. Them boy, the scammer make them money. Ray. Pussy will never scam make your money too. Him take penitentiary chances for him there. Yeah. You could look on it too. So the man say, all right, then it might fast about theme fall like a fall, you know.
Yeah, it's a great fall that.
Great fall.
You might put your life on the line.
Exactly. But what you try for do? You try to make it seem like him take a shortcut. You know what I mean? I say you have some other man, you know, if you come a foreign and go down, but who a pussy them boy they go sucking or them a bat. The point man, homosexuals, right? You a batty boy, them man, what's batty man broke a yard? Man live a gully there, but what? You just want to say something.
Fact.
For make it seem like say a man take a shortcut. Bro.
What a point. What a point.
Even the girl them go and say them a sell them, but you know that's supposed to feel disgusting. They might have sexy people who them don't like for money. Regardless, if you want to judge, but I'm not telling nobody you don't want to judge, but stop undermining people's success. You know, try everything for do that shit.
Facts.
You know what I mean? I say, I'm a ball I got Europe and make it that cause them when they go to Europe and never no visa. Well, okay. I mean, we don't do that
Such
information here.
Yeah, whatever.
Like everything, people just try to find reason for say, you take a easy route. Now you have some man that the man rather climb the mango tree, figure it and then go back down and fling and try to get the mango in, bro. Cause the man for seeing them get out the mud in, bro.
Yeah.
I don't give a I don't want to get out the mud. I want to get out the green grass.
Yeah.
You hear me? I
The
say?
easier the better.
So when them say certain things, niggas, them just say it because it sound good to say.
Facts.
You know what I mean? I say so it make themselves look better, dog.
And it shows that they're aligned with hatred. Because remember from a little boy, any man will have success at Jamaica, buy him car and build him house at Jamaica. Not even that neither. Drugs himself. Drugs. Yeah, man, they sell drugs, you know. Drugs, them man, they sell. Why would I have to be drugs?
Never can be. You know, so that they are bare tooth from primary school, him pass KC, you know. Him never go you can never have his in a foreign, him go hustle and work in a restaurant.
Truth.
But you know, shit, man, me live up on a level of my success and me know me, I got the dog. And the amount of hardship man go through a foreign brother, and just because what man put on something clean and you know what I mean? I say,
bad mind I go kill
it's
them.
like my this and my that and my this and you know that's just what people try for the dog. Undermine your success, bro.
Facts.
And nobody know your fucking story. You see me? I say that's just it. Even in a music, dog, everybody said this and that and that and this. So you try to undermine people. Oh, a popcorn boss him. Oh, a cartel boss him. A bounty boss him. So, bro.
Yeah. So what?
It does not fucking matter, bro. If take the stepping stone. I'm gonna tell the youth them this, bro. Take the stepping stone. Don't think about the future where okay, niggas give me $1,000. If I make it a money, I'm gonna tell people say him boss me. So what? You're rich. You can probably buy with a grand when niggas give you. If they $1 million now, you can buy your mother a house. So because you have your bumble, dirty ego and pride, you're not gonna take the grand? For go start a little business and say the banana chips? Come on, bro. Pride, bro. And egos.
A whole heap of we not reach no because of pride and ego.
Bro, me want to tell everybody say are you. I'm gonna tell them so yes I am.
Of course. What's wrong with that? What is wrong with that? You see, all right, it's to show you say, all right. Me, anytime like, you see me, I always give you props, bro. Because Jaiifrais, he is the first person for reach out. Then time them there, what? 4,000, 5,000 followers. And the dog say, yo, brother, bad, link up, And I say, yo, shit. Damn, Jaiifrais, man, 100,000 followers. I say, yo, shit. All right, let's go. You see me? But
you're not the only person that even ask word dog.
Yeah.
But first time I see word that man said that you it's natural, fam.
Different.
I share that chair. The man said that bless up. Yo, you're the first. Bro, it's not about you be the first, dog. I'm not from a soldier boy vibe. But it's like, bro, me man, you know me, bro. I not care about no clout, no following, bro. If you're bad, you're bad.
True.
Enough people me not find bad, and them I do good now, and happy for them. But me just never find you bad. You know what I'm saying? And that's just me, bro. So again, it just come back down to take the stepping stone.
Yeah.
That's simply it, bro. Take the stepping stone, bro.
Facts. Let go the pride, let go the ego. You see me? Let me tell you this. People are going to talk anyway. That's the thing, you know?
Yes.
People are going to talk whatever, regardless. They're going to say whatever. So, you know what? Just do the do. Make sure that you position yourself for reach higher heights. Wow. So, what if a man going to help you? And then they're going to say, yo, man, the boy Jaiifrais helped Negus in first party. So?
Yeah, he did.
I mean,
and I'm grateful for that.
Look where I'm at right now. Because everything, what you call it now, everything add up, bro. Because let's say you didn't work with me. And if you never work with me, let's say some other people were big like you, they'd never see you work with me. They probably didn't even want to work with me. So them see Jaiifrais work with me now, they must say, you know, so all right then. You know what I mean? Look like him.
Yeah, bro, legit.
You see me? Yeah, legit. Jaiifrais thing might seal the deal for other people work with me. And you think me gonna say, yo, man, I must say Jaiifrais. I'm grateful. Me not reach where them man I reach still, but me reach somewhere.
And that's all it is, bro.
You see me? Reach somewhere.
You see, I must say, bro, I'm gonna finish up with the short topic. Do
Yeah,
know
man.
the wig thing and them something there, bro. I must say before. But I'm gonna say you have some man who really strict on them shit. But nobody takes this shit serious, dog.
Yeah.
Nobody, bro. Come on, dog. Like, for instance, mere people that say, oh, Kevin Hart not funny and all them things there. But you see, when it comes down to even that too, that's fine with me, you know. Because I feel like with art or informal entertainment, it's all subjective, you feel me?
And people like what them like.
People like what them like. People say Dave Chappelle not funny. I think that's ludicrous.
Ludicrous, bro.
But if you think, I understand why a man might think Dave Chappelle comedy different.
Yes.
They might just sit down like this and just talk just like this and the crowd just are dead.
And we've seen.
And while Kevin Hart is after the
Run up and down,
so everybody have a different style. So it's like what
yeah.
you like, what you like.
Yeah.
You see me? But when it comes on to all this shit, bro, niggas just say shit as if them are work twice as hard, bro. Because if you notice, this shit always come from other comedians, bro. It don't come from the fans. It don't come from none. If it do come from the fans, or the niggas that would just want, if you give them a look in, niggas when you go on them page, them name Gaza Sparta, Vendetta, 2 posts, 3 following, or following 100, bro.
Facts.
Fake
bro,
pages.
just like the other day, bro. One youth, the man post my picture on Twitter, zine, and then tag me on Instagram and say, yo, the man them a deal with this, so the man them put the ambassador for something about Wasteman Academy or the principal
and
for Wasteman Academy. And I impose it. When I go back on the post, the man changed him Twitter name because his Twitter name was his Instagram name. I'm gonna say, yo, bro, be a man and own up to the thing with your blood clot post, brother. You are never me. You should have looked it, so I'm just find it and show you. Bro, you just changed your name. I have the screenshot in my phone right now with your name on it. You see me? Like you're right, bro. So maybe I am tripping, bro. These people are low-key fans, but them don't know how to show love. Just show the love, brother. You see me? Just show the love. You know,
that's their way of showing love too. You have to point like that. You know, probably not the way what you want to accept it, but probably that's their way, bro. But I don't miss that shit, bro. I mean, bro, right, from know myself to know that, like, from popularity, you know, like, people been and come about him on that. Been, bro. I'm always tell them, just show me, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Find him. And I can tell you this right now. This nigga is a man right here. A man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Ain't no fugazi shit. Cause I tell you this right now.
Oh, no, you're not sure for me. No.
No.
You might never know in Atlanta I'm living.
Yo, you know with that said, you know me come get my blood clot, yeah. You understand what I say? Yo, bro, it's been a pleasure, my G. You see me? Yo, Jaiifrais. Big up yourself, bro. You see me? Imara Nation podcast. It's been brought to you by Happy Strand Herbal Growth. You see me? Make sure you check out them Instagram. I will say, yo, you know now we out. You understand? Up move.